Welcome to IEDC Sagradaya, the Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development Center, an ecosystem to create innovation-friendly entrepreneurial culture.
Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development Center, also known as IEDC, is an institutional mechanism to create an entrepreneurial culture in Sahradaya and the nearby regions to foster the growth of innovation and entrepreneurship amongst the faculty, students, and the society. IEDC was inaugurated on the 10th of March 2015 in Sahradaya. IEDC is funded and supported by the Kerala Startup Mission, also known as KSUM, which is the nodal agency of the Government of Kerala for startup promotion. The various schemes of the state government are executed through IEDC.
IEDC Sahradaya received the Exemplary Performance Award of Kerala Startup Mission for the Best IEDC from Chief Minister of Kerala during 2016, and the institute was awarded with Entrepreneurship Enabler Award 2018 of Government of Kerala for its contribution to the entrepreneurial ecosystem in Kerala. APJ Abdul Kalam Technology University selected Sahradaya as the Cluster Coordinating Institute for Innovation and Entrepreneurship. In the year 2020, ICT Academy of Kerala selected Sahradaya for its premium membership. IEDC Sahradaya was also awarded with Best Inclusive IEDC Kerala 2020 Award from Kerala Startup Mission for promoting innovation and entrepreneurship spirit among women. The ambience created by the IEDC and the potential of our students have definitely created a perfect blend for supporting the entrepreneurship culture in the campus. It has co-working space, incubation cubicles, Center for IoT and Robotics Research, and Engineering Design Studio. Our students, with their innovative drive, have secured many prizes in highly reputed project innovation competitions, both national and international, which includes the prestigious Gandhian Young Technological Innovation Award from Rashtrapati Bhavan. IEDC. This dedicated space is utilized as the office of IEDC Nodal Officer, activity or co-working space and meeting facilities. This space also supports the aspiring entrepreneurs as a pre-incubation facility. Engineering Design Studio. This facility will support as a maker room as well as for an ideation ambience. Facility is provided with 3D printing, CNC milling, laser engraving, extruder provisions together with other maker tools and a co-working space. Various clubs promoted by IEDC for the purpose of skill development attitude among the students, which includes Hardware Club, Coders Club, Creative Club, Media Club, and Future Tech Club. These clubs are aiming to create a maker culture, self-learning, and peer skill sharing among the students. IEDC created an innovation-focused entrepreneurial ecosystem at Sahradaya. This ecosystem helped the students either to become an entrepreneur or an entrepreneur with industry-demanded employability skills unlocked. This ambience helped the institute to attract many industry or governmental collaborations. A number of achievements, awards, patents, funding, and commercial success are associated with IEDC.
Market success stories. Sahradaya is proud about a number of Sahradian innovations by our startups, which is revolutionizing the market space. A few of these are as follows. The Farmers Fresh Zone. The Farmers Fresh Zone is an agri-tech startup which had raised Rs 3.5 crores led by IAN funds in September 2020. With this round, Farmers Fresh Zone's overall fundraising had crossed Rs 6.5 crores. Pradeep PS, who is a former alumni of Sahardaya College of Engineering and Technology of the Computer Science Department, is the founder and CEO of Farmers Fresh Zone. who had realized the need for a marketplace for farmers to sell their agricultural produce directly to the consumers. This prompted a software engineer to turn into an agri-entrepreneur to establish Farmers Fresh Zone in 2015. The Kochi-based agri-tech startup aims at unlocking access to safe-to-eat, pesticide-free fruits and vegetables directly sourced from farmers. Through its omni-channel presence, the startup has so far connected over 1,500 farmers to urban consumers. Farmers Fresh Zone is an example of how India's agriculture is innovating and enabling farmers to sell pesticide-free products to customers at a fair price. IEDC has organized different entrepreneurship awareness camps, group discussions, trainings on cutting-edge technologies, innovation camps, innovation contests, hardware makeathon, hackathons with a focus on healthcare, social issues, information technology, and Internet of Things. The IEDC Summit, which was Asia's largest summit for student entrepreneurs, was hosted at Sahardaya on the 19th of October 2019 with more than 4,300 participants. The State Innovation Festival of Government of Kerala, named as TechOn KetCon, was organized at Sahardaya from the 23rd to the 25th of February 2018. The National Hackathon on Smart Technological Solutions Against Corruption, organized by IEDC Sahardaya, was a unique event and first of its kind internationally. Further, IEDC's Design Thinking Workshop to identify technological interventions against corruption at Kerala Institute of Local Administration, also known as KILA, for 40 officers and elected officials from 5 panchayat and 2 municipalities, was highly appreciated by the local self-government department of the Government of Kerala. Technology Business Incubation Center, also known as Sahardaya TBI, is a joint venture of Sahardaya and Kerala State Industrial Development Corporation, also known as KSIDC. Sahardaya TBI is functioning under the guidance of an expert board of governance with IEDC nodal officer and coordinator as the member secretary. This exclusive facility will serve as a working space for entrepreneurs who are officially incubated at Sahardaya TBI. Center for IoT and Robotics Research. The center was established as an exclusive facility for IoT and robotics with the support of Kerala Startup Mission and eYantra initiative of IITB. The center supports the student as well as the faculty community in the focus area. Zara Biotech. Zara Biotech is a proud example of Sahardya's startup ecosystem. Be-Lite products are 100% preservative-free, trans-fat-free, and cholesterol-free. These products act as instant energy boosters. The cookies contain more protein content as compared to other popular biscuit products. The presence of SOD helps in reducing aging in humans. The product is made available for people of any age group, especially for women, as it contains iron and calcium, as recommended during pregnancy, as well as bone-related diseases. Sahardaya is empaneled by the Government of India for Pradhan Mantri Yuva Yojana, also known as PM Yuva, Entrepreneurship Education Scheme for 5 years with financial support. 2 faculty members were trained by the ministry as the facilitators of the program. All the students of the 2016-2020 batch were offered an orientation program for entrepreneurship course and provided the based on exam credit certification. The course is delivered in a blended learning mode with activity oriented learning with course contents from Badwani Foundation.